Hello class, this is Dr. Fenton. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download an Excel file that contains the financial statements of a publicly traded company. So, let's get started. First, go to the sec.gov website. You can see the address up here. When you come to this page, click on Company Filings. This small set of words right here, Company Filings. Let's click. Then the cursor is automatically in a box here. So let's type the company name. Let's look up the Home Depot. So let's type in the words Home Depot. Here it is right here, Home Depot Inc. Let's click here. When we come to this page, we have several choices. The easiest way to find a company's 10K, which is the annual report it files with the SEC, is to go over here to the right side of the page. Let's expand this option. And we have the company's 10Ks down here and the 10Qs. The 10Qs are the quarterly reports. We're after the 10Ks. So instead of clicking, though, be careful here, but instead of clicking this link, click the small box here that says filing. So be very careful. This is not the same link on this one and this one. This one down here, filing, will get you the Excel file that you need. So make sure you click it. Just click. And you see a lot of information on this page. Look over here to the left. Click on Interactive Data. It's a small little link, Interactive Data. Let's click. And here we go. What we can do here, and this is sort of off the page, but you can see this says, financial statements. We cannot see the F. And you could click here if you wanted to, and then you could find the income statement, consolidated statements of earnings, and there it is. But what we want to do is download the entire Excel file that contains all these statements. The only thing you need to do is go right here for this link, View Excel Document. Click, and then it gives you the option to open or save the file. I'm going to open it so we can see it real quick. Okay. And it's loading up for us, and here it is. I'll click Enable Editing, just in case we need to do that. And this is the entire Excel file. Now, a couple of these sheets down here you really don't need. For example, here is the balance sheet. You will need this if you're working on some company projects or whatever. Here's the balance sheet. Here is I just happen to know this here. I've looked at this before. Here's the income statement. They call it the Consolidated Statement of Earnings. This is a regular Excel file. You can start adding columns, expanding columns, or whatever. If you wanted to add a column here, you could do that. Insert a column. So you can start working with it. These sheets that you really don't need, you can go ahead and delete these if you want to. At least the first couple of them. Let's delete that one. This one we don't need. Consolidated statements of comprehensive income. We really don't need it. You could delete this one if you wanted to. Yes, let's delete it. But they have so many that you don't have to delete all those. The main ones we want are just really the balance sheet, the income statement, earnings statement, and you can go find the cash flow statement and the stockholders' equity statement. So there's the Excel file for a company. So it's as easy as that. As always, good luck with your studies.